It's my feel-good breakfast show.
And a very warm welcome back to your feel-good breakfast show, Expresso, here on SABC3, where we're about to add a little bit more funk to your Friday once again with Crimson House. They are our guest artists this morning, bringing us their unique brand of Gypsy Jungle music. So if you're asking yourself at home now, what exactly is that? Have a listen to this, Howling at Your Door.
Yeah, man. Hit it. Well, I thought I was a hot man, but every little thing didn't work out as planned. 'Cause I wanna love you, baby, more and more. And yeah, I'm gonna love you, baby, more and more. Can you hear me calling, honey? Well, I'm a howling at your door. 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 Well, I thought I could handle this better, but my heart's brittle, baby, light as a feather. 'Cause I wanna love you, baby, more and more. And I'm gonna love you, baby, more and more. Can you hear me calling, honey? Well, I'm a howling at your door. 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 Well, listen here, honey, I'll be yours if you'll be mine. I'll be a lucky soul to have you, so I'll always treat you kind. 'Cause I wanna love you, baby, more and more. And yes, I'm gonna love you, baby, more and more. Can you hear me calling, honey? Well, I'm a howling at your door. I'm a howling at your door. I'm a howling at your door. Well, I'm a howling at your door.
Crimson House in the house, howling at your door. That was really, really cool, man.
Thanks, brother, man.
I think you've just officially given us our first sax off, like, you know, between these two here.
Oh, it's coming.
Battle
Oh, it's
between
coming.
the battle of the saxes. Does it happen quite often?
Oh, yeah, no, it does.
Yeah?
It does, yeah, it's a thing.
All right, all right. Listen, tell me about where this whole group started, where you decided to bring forth this, am I saying it right, Gypsy Jungle music?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, what's the vibe of Gypsy Jungle
I guess
music?
it's just, it's feel good. And our mission when we started was to make people feel good.
Yeah.
And then that's like our goal from the start. It's like, can you feel it? Can you dance it? Can you... And celebrate, you know, music's that thing to celebrate, bring people together and have a good time.
And here you are now, 7 years later, still doing it beautifully on your Feel Good Breakfast Show. Thank you so, so much. Can't wait to hear more, so stay tuned and let us know what you thought about that performance on our Expresso Morning Show SABC3 Facebook page. Let's quickly howl at the news headlines of the morning.
Yeah!